Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can log in back into your BeReal account when you've been logged out. It's very easy and I'm gonna show you how you can do it in easy steps. First of all, open your BeReal app. There, first of all, you will be asked to enter your name. Make sure that you enter the same name that you used while creating the account. When you are done entering the name, continue. Then you will be asked to set your date of birth. Make sure that you enter the same date of birth that you used previously. When you're done entering the date of birth, continue. Then again, you will be asked to enter the country code and your phone number. Your phone number will receive the OTP or one-time password to log into your account. Make sure that you use the same phone number that you used previously. And when you're done entering the phone number, continue. Then, after a while, you will receive an OTP which you can either copy and paste on the screen as shown there, or you can just type there. I'm gonna copy and then paste on it. And there you go. Now you're logged in back into your account. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope that was helpful for you.